Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a UK PayPal account. First, gather your essential documents. You will need a UK phone number, a valid UK residential address, and a UK bank account or debit card. Preparing these items beforehand ensures a smooth and quick setup. This foundational step is crucial for successful registration and future account verification. Getting everything ready at the start saves you time and effort. Next, navigate to the official PayPal website for the United Kingdom and click the Sign Up option. Choose a personal account type. This is perfect for individual users. You will then input your email address, which will serve as your primary account identifier. Remember to create a strong, unique password, combining different character types for maximum security. This protects your financial information. Now it is time to input your personal details into the secure form. You will accurately provide your full legal name, your date of birth, and your nationality. Crucially, enter your current UK residential address, including the correct postcode, ensuring all information is consistent. This step is vital for compliance and verifies your eligibility for a UK-based account. Accuracy here prevents future delays. The next key step involves linking a financial instrument to your PayPal account. You can connect your UK bank account or a valid UK debit card. PayPal will send two small, distinct deposits, typically less than £1 each, to your bank account for verification. You must then log back into your PayPal profile and accurately enter these two specific amounts. This confirms you own the linked account securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.